Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about ingredients to look out for in your pet products. If you're a pet owner, you know that they're a part of the family and we want nothing but the best for them. But have you ever really looked at the products that you're using on them? Some of the most common products sold in stores are hiding dangers you may not be aware of. The truth is, commercial pet products and flea and tick medications contain toxic chemicals that can harm your pet's health. Let's take a look at a few of these harmful ingredients. Permethrin is a synthetic insecticide commonly found in flea and tick treatments, collars, and shampoos. Cats are highly susceptible to permethrin toxicity. Even small amounts of permethrin can cause tremors, agitation, seizures, and in some cases, death. Organophosphates are another class of chemicals used in many flea and tick treatments. These compounds are toxic to both dogs and cats. Use of products with this chemical can result in symptoms such as drooling, vomiting, diarrhea, excessive tearing, difficulty breathing, muscle tremors, and in severe cases, seizures or death. Phenotype genes are a group of chemicals used in pet shampoos and medications for their anti-aging properties. Some pets may have adverse reactions to these toxic chemicals. Side effects include sedation, lethargy, decreased appetite, low blood pressure, and in some cases, allergic reactions. But what if we told you there's an alternative? Morrocco Method prioritizes your pet's health and well-being just like any other member of your family. Our wildcrafted pet products are chemical-free, fragrance-free, gluten-free, and raw. Perfect for all pets. As pet owners, it's our duty to provide every member of our family with the best possible care. Choosing Morrocco Method's pet line is a step towards safeguarding your pet's health, protecting them from harmful chemicals, and embracing a natural toxin-free lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness.